Supervised learning is a powerful tool, and it's used across a wide range of industries to solve complex problems. Let's look at a few key applications to see how it's being used in the real world. Before diving into those examples, I'd like to share some insights from my own career. Over the years, I've found that more than 70% of the models we've built are based on supervised learning. But why is supervised learning so popular? The main reason is that with supervised learning, we have a clear idea of what we want to predict. We're working with labeled data, meaning that each data point is tagged with the correct answer, the outcome we expect. This makes it easier to train models to recognize patterns and make accurate predictions. For instance, if we're predicting how long a member will stay in the hospital, we have historical data on previous hospital stays to train the model. Or, if we want to recommend actions that will increase member engagement, we can rely on past data showing what has worked before. Supervised learning's popularity also stems from its versatility. It can be applied to a wide range of tasks, classification, regression, and more, which makes it the go-to method for many practical applications. When the problem is well defined and we have plenty of labeled data, supervised learning is typically the most straightforward and effective approach. Now, let's look at some key applications. Image classification. This is widely used in industries like healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and social media. Supervised learning helps classify images into predefined categories. For example, in healthcare, it can identify diseases in medical images, such as detecting cancer in X-rays. In autonomous vehicles, it aids in recognizing road signs and obstacles, ensuring safer driving decisions. In social media, it's often used for content moderation and face recognition. Predictive maintenance. This is crucial in manufacturing, aviation, and energy sectors. By training on historical data of equipment performance and failures, supervised learning models can predict when machines are likely to fail. This allows companies to perform proactive maintenance, reducing downtime and extending the lifespan of their equipment. From my experience, predictive modeling has saved companies significant amounts of money by preventing unexpected breakdowns. Sentiment analysis. This is especially important in marketing, retail, and customer service. Supervised learning algorithms are trained on labeled text data to classify the sentiment of customer reviews, social media posts, or support tickets. This helps businesses understand customer satisfaction, track brand perception, and prioritize responses. In projects I've been involved with, sentiment analysis has been key to understanding customer feelings about a product or service in real time, allowing companies to respond quickly to any issues. Fraud detection. This is critical in finance, e-commerce, and insurance. Supervised learning models are trained on historical transaction data labeled as fraudulent or legitimate. These models can then identify potentially fraudulent activities in real time, helping to prevent financial losses and protect customers. During my time in the financial sector, I saw firsthand how effective these models can be in safeguarding both businesses and consumers from fraud. These examples highlight how supervised learning is applied across various industries to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making. Its popularity comes from its ability to deliver reliable and interpretable results when the outcome is known, making it an essential tool in the AI toolkit. From my own experience, I can attest to its versatility and impact in solving real-world problems.